Okay, so I think it's day 5 of rewiring the goat. Over the weekend, this Christmas weekend, I was doing some thinking about what I did already and, how I'm going to go forward. One thing that I kind of messed up on, the red wire that I ran for the pump. So I didn't bother to look at the receiving end of this bulkhead, which is this right here. I have it apart. I'm going to have to figure that one. I'm just going to change it. I'm going to find one that either I'm not using or I can add in. It looks like I could add in one, which is fine, but I also have a water pump. Yeah, I'm going to have to switch that. I'm going to redo that. And then, yeah. So I got some troubleshooting to do. I have some cleaning to do because on Friday I just didn't want to deal with this, and now it's all wet and it's all, wet. So, and then I gotta take that, I gotta empty that, move all that over there, move this table somewhere, and then I have a clean spot over there. So yeah, I got a good amount to do before I can even, I got about 30 minutes of shit to do before I can even get started on the car. So I don't think that there's going to be much commentary today, mainly because I want to get the front done. I want to be able to walk away from the front and either go inside the car or go in the back of the car, whatever. But I want to be done with the front today. So there's not going to be very much commentary. It's going to be a lot of time-lapse videos. If there's something interesting or, to talk about, I'll talk about it. But, yeah, let's just get to work. Alright. So I went ahead, cleaned the front of this for the most part. Front end's all clean, and everything's over there. Everything that was on the table is in the corner. And now now I can get started. I just found out I can't do a time lapse, and I'm sorry, but I forgot the GoPro charger at my house, and it only has 2 bars. So I will be periodically showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm not sure how much content it will be, but I'll try my best. So hopefully you don't get bored. Okay, so the front is front is done. As you can see, the grounds are on now. That's on. That's plugged in. This is for the pump. I wasn't going to do, the reason why this ground isn't right here is because this is your horn right here. And also I had to put this ground here anyways, so it doesn't make any sense to have this ground and then the plug, and stupid. Anyways, so I just got done with a vacuum pump. As you can see, or rather not see, anyways, it's there. I got a plug. I ran out of braid, so I just taped it. I don't like taping it, but whatever. And then this right here, I wish I had some heat shrink, but I don't. So this is, I'm going to keep the zip ties on here, but I'm going to tape over it. And then, I could put the front piece back on, or is it the front piece? Yeah, I'll leave this fender off, but I'll rig the front piece on, plug everything in, and then bolt it on, and then the front is 100% done. Oh, you know what? Actually, no, I lied. I have to change that red wire. After the red wire, the front is done. Never mind. Okay, I got other shit to do, but this part will be done. All right, leave me alone. Alright, I finally got the pain in the ass part done. What I went ahead and did was I tapped into the accessory 1 on the load side of the fuse. I tapped into that, and it is this guy right here. I'll probably find like a silver Sharpie. I'll mark it somehow. Don't know how though. But anyways, goes in there. I was going to go off of this bus. There's a bus right here. I was going to go off of that, but I couldn't take it out, and it was the positive side of the battery, so it would kind of defeat the purpose of it. So, anyways, yeah, I did that, and then I went ahead and I swapped out the red. I had it somewhere else, and then I put it right there. What I took out was I had to take one of the terminals out and replace it with mine, but what it was is it was the vehicle speed sensor power. So this guy right here, I'm gonna leave him in here. I'm 100% sure that this car is not going to have not going to use this because they have GPS speedos now. But anyways, the fans good, this good, lights are good. The lights under there are good. The only other thing, I don't even have to do it. So yeah, that's good and that's good. I do have to, I'm sure I'm going to have to find some terminals for the line lock, but that is going to be the engine compartment side. So yeah, it does not seem so bad. The front will be done. I'm not going to do that or anything. Like I said, Dean Rockwell's that's going to move under the dash. Dean Rockwell is going to be building the motor, but he's going to be he has the motor right now, so he's going to put it in here, run all the wires wherever they need to go, and then yeah. So the next step is what is the next step? I guess the back, right? Yeah, the back, or should I do the bulkhead? I'll do the bulkhead, yeah. I'll put the main in, I'll put the bulkhead in, and then that way I could plug that in, and I could have the wires out here for the motor, and then I could pull those off. So yeah.